Hey guys, it's Toy Scout. Let's open these surprise eggs. But first, check these out. Quail. Q is for quail. Quail is a small bird, and some people like to hunt them. Quail. Quarter. Q is for quarter. A quarter is 1/4 of a dollar, or 25 cents. Quarter. Let's open the surprise eggs now. We have 2 uppercase Q and 1 lowercase q. Let's start with the green one here, the lowercase q. Let's see what we get. Who's this, guys? Queen Elsa. Q is for Queen Elsa. Queen Elsa is from Frozen. She is the older sister of Anna, and she has powerful abilities. Queen Elsa. Next, we're gonna open this red egg here. Let's see what we get. I see a dress, red and black. Queen of Hearts. Q is for Queen of Hearts. She is from Alice in Wonderland, and she is very, very mean. You can see there's a heart here. Queen of Hearts. And now to the last surprise egg, the pink one here. This one is big. Wonder who's gonna be in this one. Let's see a little arm here. Quasimodo. Q is for Quasimodo. He is from the Hunchback of Notre Dame. You can see his back is not normal. He's a hunchback, and people fear him just for that, but he's actually very, very nice. Quasimodo. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check out the letter R next. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I'm Toy Scouter, and I'm out.